Chicken thighs are easy to make without worrying too much about drying out the meat. They are juicy, flavorful, and so versatile they go with absolutely anything. Crispy and golden on the outside, tender and succulent on the inside, lightly simmered in a creamy Dijon sauce. Talk about the combination of my dreams. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious creamy chicken thigh recipe. And if you want to learn how, stick around because I'm about to show you. For this recipe, you will need 1 kg bone-in chicken thighs, 2 cups of baby spinach, 1 red chopped onion, a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley for garnishing, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 5 mini red chilies, and remember guys, this is completely optional, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/3 cup of low-sodium chicken stock or chicken broth, 250 ml of clover cream, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of tomato pesto, 1 knob of butter, some chicken spice, dried oregano, dried rosemary, cayenne pepper, white pepper, sea salt, black pepper, some smoked paprika, and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. These are all the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. Now let's get cooking. First, you want to make sure that your chicken is thawed all the way through, and if frozen, go ahead and put it inside the fridge overnight. And just before cooking, you might want to pat it dry with a kitchen towel to avoid any splattering. Spray the chicken with a little olive oil and season well with salt and pepper. Then go ahead and heat up 4 tablespoons of oil using medium-sized pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot enough, place the chicken skin side down and cook for about 12 minutes until golden brown. Now flip the chicken over and cook for another 13 minutes until cooked all the way through, and transfer to a separate plate and set aside. Repeat this step with your remaining thighs. I decided to make mine in 2 separate pans because I'm a little extra like that, and that's why you won't be seeing the rest of my chicken throughout the video. To the same pan, you can go ahead and add your onion and butter and cook this until translucent. Now add your garlic, red chilies, and season well with oregano, rosemary, and continue to stir. Then throw in some mushrooms, some white pepper, and coat well with the base of your sauce. Then add some chicken stock to deglaze the pan, 2 teaspoons of tomato pesto, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, some cayenne pepper, some chicken spice, smoked paprika, and let this simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until the liquid has reduced by half. Now you're going to pour in the cream and bring it to a gentle simmer and allow the sauce to thicken. To that, you're going to add some parsley for a pop of color and some parmesan cheese and allow it to melt through the delicious sauce. Add the spinach and allow it to wilt, and return the chicken to the same pan and continue to cook for about 5 more minutes on low heat to infuse the chicken in the delicious creamy sauce. Now coat the chicken with some of the delicious sauce and sprinkle with some herbs if desired. You can serve this immediately on a bed of mashed potatoes. And now for my favorite part, the taste test. Oh, that looks beautiful. That is so delicious. Crispy, golden, herby, just the perfect amount of cream. What can I say? This is comfort food at its finest. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, like and comment on the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are and what you would like to see me cook next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!